And it gets quite annoying just seeing as though um Minecraft Java Edition has more features than Bedrock Edition itself, meaning more people will probably play Java Edition rather than Bedrock. But I think adding the debug stick to Minecraft would actually, adding debug stick to Bedrock Edition could work in a way. Uh, it could work as in it changes the data values that already exist in the game that aren't what the debug stick in Java Edition could do, leaving some exclusive features to there. And I think the debug stick could be a way to fix block rotations if, well, you don't want to replace them all, because what if you have like a redstone contraption nearby your wonderful water faucet, or something, and if you break a stair that is holding some water in it, that is waterlogged, the water will spill everywhere and destroy all the redstone. Maybe the debug stick could have two versions: creative version and survival mode version. Survival mode version could be crafted, and the creative version can't. The creative version will have more capabilities than the survival one. The survival one would only be able to change data values of already existing blocks that you could get in survival. But the creative one will be able to change data values of blocks you can give yourself through commands in creative. And I think that would be a nice addition. So what I also think would be a good idea is adding the knowledge book. Instead of having it as a useful item, or just an item to be used as an item, why not add it as just an item that you can use for crafters? Would be kind of cool to have that. Because to be honest, it would be very interesting to have something just like that. Say you have a bunch of knowledge books and you really don't know what to do with them after you've unlocked every recipe. On Bedrock Edition, they could still be used. As in every single useless item in Minecraft, there's always a use for it that people may not know. It could be used as obscurity for a, some chests, so that you can have certain item slots available, and all the rest are filled with the useless block that you don't want anyway. Because why would anyone want that useless block? I don't know. They could use it as a wall still. Or they could just go in creative, use a bunch of commands, and then end up having 1,000 command blocks in one world, and then having an entire crafter ready for the player to use. That is also another thing that can and will happen. So there are many possibilities that I don't think even the developers would even consider. The giants in Minecraft, if they came to Bedrock Edition, would actually be a good addition, actually. And they'd be something of a wonder. It would be just a giant zombie or something. Maybe have a scale thing for zombies so that instead of giant zombies, you could just at least have a medium sized zombie or a giant zombie or whatever size zombie you want. Uh, and just like the slime, it would go up very high, but the zombie would still be there. The giant zombie would be there. I don't think tiny zombie would be good, but I think that would be the giant zombie would be a good idea. And maybe add the illusioner as like something for mini games where you could just summon it in. That would be very interesting to see the illusioner in. And I think having Java Edition features in Bedrock Edition would actually be way better than not having that, because think of the possibilities. Adding all that stuff from Java Edition and new ways into Bedrock Edition would only sprout the creativity farther. Adding furniture into the game could also sprout some more creativity. But for now, let's just focus on Java Edition and Bedrock Edition being different. Bedrock Edition being the version of Minecraft that is paid attention to less often than Java Edition. Meaning Java Edition ends up having tons of exclusive features that Bedrock Edition has yet to have for so long. There needs to be that. And that has been all from the LindaTech Leaderboard, and I'll see you next time in the next LindaTech Productions video. Bye.